Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I have another Nailboxy box. Let's see what's inside this one. Oh, okay. Oop, it's all stuck together. Oh, okay. Right here. I have the cat eye magnetic. Oops, the magnetic. Oop, that part, the magnets, I'm sorry. And then it comes with nail file with changeable nail plates. Pretty cool. Okay. Ooh. I got some gel. I got some Egoista Builder Gel. Let's see. It's still sealed. Okay, guys, I'm back. I finally got it open. This is the color. And the color on the thing says Queen. It's UV Soak Off Builder Gel. Yeah, it's kind of all over my hands, too. But, yeah. It's a nice color. Okay, next we have the cat eye polish that go with the cat eye magnetic things to give it that weird effect. And the color, ooh, it's red as well. It's like a little shimmery red. I'll do a tutorial using this color. It's also, I believe this is for the cat eye effect as well, if you want like a different design. And it also comes with nail decal stickers. How cool is that? Alright guys, I'll let you know when I do my little tutorial. Stay tuned.